हेलो वेलकम टू टेरी बेरी न्यूट्रिशन। तो आज हमारे किचन में बन रही है ये अंडा बिरयानी। हमारे घर में बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो ना तो चिकन खाना पसंद करते हैं और ना ही मटन या बीफ। तो अम्मी ने कहा कि आज तुम लोगों को मैं खिलाऊंगी अंडों वाली बिरयानी। उसके लिए हमने लिए हैं जी 12 बॉइल्ड एग्स, फ्राइड अनियंस, उसके साथ ही 2 से 3 स्लाइस टमेटोज़, एंड देन वी हैव स्लाइस्ड ग्रीन चिलीज़, उसके बाद अ कप ऑफ फ्रेश योगर्ट, और उसके साथ हमने लिया था चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर, एंड देन वी हैव बिरयानी मसाला। बिरयानी मसाला के साथ ही वी हैव 4 to 5 स्लाइस्ड लेमन्स, और उसके साथ 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime juice, ginger and garlic paste. Then we have fresh basmati rice, around 1 kg. And then we have this fresh mint that we got from our kitchen garden. Around 750 rice को हमने white boil किया था, and around 250 grams rice को हमने yellow boil किया था यहाँ पे. For step number 1, we are heating around 2 tablespoons of oil, and we'll just warm up the fried onions a little bit, and then we will add the tomatoes until we'll cook them for about like 4 to 5 minutes until they're soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are nicely mixed, you just cover the wok with the lid and let it cook for about like 2 or 3 minutes. After 4 or 5 minutes, add in the ginger and garlic paste and mix and cook for another like 3 or 4 minutes. While mixing, now you can mash the tomatoes with the spatula. Add in around 1 packet of any biryani masala that you like. Make sure to leave aside around 1 teaspoon of the biryani masala for the garnishing. Mix, mix, mix. So we like the biryani a little bit spicy, so if you want, you can add these basic spices, but these are totally optional. If you don't want it to be a little bit spicy, then the biryani masala is enough. Mix and cook this for about like 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in 1 bowl of fresh yogurt and mix it really well. Cover it and cook this for about like 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame until the oil separates and the mixture thickens. The mixture will look something like this when it's done, and now you can add in the boiled eggs. And once you add the boiled eggs, make sure that you're very gentle. Use the spatula very gently to move and rotate the eggs. Now cover and let it simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes on low flame. Once it is done, add in the green chilies and the sliced lemons. Cover and let it sit for like about 2 to 3 minutes. The egg gravy is ready for the layering. Take a big pot, and for the layer number 1, we'll be adding white rice, and then we are going to add a little bit of the gravy oil. For the layer number 2, we'll be adding the cooked egg gravy that we just prepared. For the layer number 3, we'll be adding the white rice again, and a little bit of the lemon juice, along with the coriander and the mint leaves. For the layer number 3, we'll be adding the yellow boiled rice. For the layer number 4, the remaining gravy. Now add in the remaining biryani masala and the remaining lemon juice. Add around 2 tablespoons of milk in the gravy bowl and add that milk mixture to the rice. For the layer number 5, we'll again go with the yellow rice and the remaining white rice along with the mint leaves, biryani masala, fresh coriander, some lemons, sliced lemons, green chilies, and last but not the least, the fried onions. Adding aloo bukharas to your biryani is totally optional because some people don't like it. You can also add a mixture of the milk and KEWURA that is optional. Now cover and leave this for about 20 minutes on low flame. So after 20 minutes, it's done. Make sure that you're very gentle when you're mixing this. I had to ask my mom to do it because if I do it, I'd mess it up. The biryani is ready to be served. You can serve this with mint raita or any raita of your choice. I hope you guys liked the recipe. Do try and let us know in the comment section below. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.